Section 39 is about the distinction between immediate and delayed values in rules and assignments. All of the assignments in the previous section were immediate assignments, which are entered with an equal sign. For example, this shows an immediate assignment immediately computing random color to get a color and assigning value as the name of that color. After that assignment, every time value appears in a calculation, it is replaced by that same color. A delayed assignment is entered using colon equal with a colon before the equal sign. For example, this shows a delayed assignment. Unlike an immediate assignment, in a delayed assignment, the thing after the equal sign is not computed before making the assignment. The effect in this example is that every time value occurs in a calculation, random color is computed all over again to generate a new random color. Delayed assignments are commonly used when something isn't ready yet at the time that the assignment is made. For example, this uses a delayed assignment with colon equal to assign a value to circles even though at this point in this Wolfram language session, the variable n, which is used in the value of circles, does not have a value. The intention is that the assigned value of circles will be used only after n does have a value. For example, after assigning a value for n, a result for circles is computed using that value of n. Assigning a different value for n leads to a different result for circles. The idea of delayed assignment is directly analogous to the delayed construct that came up in section 36 for web pages. This input from section 36, for example, uses delayed to get a web page that delays computing the content of the page until someone asks for it. The content in this example is a clock displaying the value of now. Now is a special name that gives the current time whenever it is computed. By delaying computation of that content, the current time will be displayed each time the page is opened. An analogous effect happens with delayed assignments. For example, if a delayed assignment is used to assign G as a name for that same clock, then G, like that web page, does a new calculation to show the current time each time it is computed. In addition to immediate and delayed assignments, there is also a notion of immediate and delayed replacement rules. The first input here, for example, shows an immediate rule, whereas for immediate assignments, the right side of the rule is computed immediately to get the rule, and the input after that shows a delayed rule, entered by typing colon greater than rather than dash greater than between the left and right sides of the rule. The right side of a delayed rule is not computed until the rule is applied. The replacement rules described in earlier sections have all been immediate rules. This shows an immediate rule used to make several replacements in a list. The right side of this immediate rule is computed immediately to get a value for random real, and that same value is then inserted for every replacement. For comparison, this shows replacements made using a delayed rule. When this delayed rule is used, a new value for random real is computed each time the rule is applied, which leads to 4 different replacements in the result. That's the end of the examples for this section. To summarize, here is the programming vocabulary from this section. The only new programming vocabulary is the notation for delayed assignments and rules, but beyond just notation, the concept of delayed assignments and rules is important in many aspects of programming, such as in defining new functions. More information about delayed rules and assignments can be found by going to the Wolfram Language and System Documentation Center, clicking the Core Language Instructor button, and choosing Rules and Patterns from the menu that pops up. The guide page on rules and patterns includes links to information on delayed and immediate rules, and links to information on assignments which are closely related to rules. Clicking on assignments in this page opens a guide page for functions specifically related to assignments. Many of the pages in the Documentation Center include a menu called Tech Notes, which includes links to tutorials and discussions on various topics. The Tech Notes menu on this page, for example, includes a link to a tutorial specifically on immediate and delayed definitions. It's worth noting that this section on immediate and delayed definitions is one of several sections in a general Tech Note on the topic of transformation rules and definitions. There are 2 exercises at the end of this section chosen to illustrate the essential difference between an immediate rule and a delayed rule. The distinction between immediate and delayed rules also applies to immediate and delayed assignments. As an example, consider using an assignment rather than a rule either to replace x by the same random integer, as in exercise 39.1, or to replace x by separately chosen random integers, as in exercise 39.2. This immediate assignment computes a value for random integer of 100 and assigns the result as the value of x. This same value will be returned every time x is computed. If x is instead defined using a delayed assignment, then a new random integer will be generated every time x is computed. A new value for x is computed every time it comes up, even within the same input.